These are called colloids. Yes. hmm it's kind of important, right? There's atom ions, molecules, colloidal, microscopic, and coarse. Yes. Now, all colloids can change from the dissolved or solid state of the jelly-like or state. Yeah. Most of them can change back again. Some, like an egg white, when once stiffened, can hardly be liquefied. Yeah. Now, what's interesting is that since all plants and animals are enclosed in membranes of some kind, their colloidal foods and protoplasm cannot escape. Yes. While gases, water, and dissolved crystalloid minerals can enter freely. How do our foods, which are also colloids, pass through the membranes of the stomach and intestines into the blood vessels? That is the work of digestion. Oh. Now, colloidal starch is changed to crystalloid sugar. Other foods are broken up until their particles are small enough to be absorbed into the blood. The clotting of blood is an example of colloidal action. The filling in and healing of a break or wound in the body is a somewhat similar process. Thus, the special properties of colloids and easy shift from sol to gel, or the verse make colloids particularly useful in all living things. Now, this collagen, yes, that I just found out about, that I had never thought about this morning, yes, obviously is a protein-based substance that gives some elasticity to the actual skin, the skin that you're using, right, to program your computer. Now, there's different nerve endings. There's the nerve endings of my hand. Yes, not very sensitive. No, it's not very sensitive. And then there's the nerve endings of my face. That's a little more sensitive. Considering that if somebody were to touch me or kiss me, I would feel a sensation inside of my own mind. But each of these nerve endings on the outside of my body, yes, goes to a different part of my brain. Oh, and some of the nerve endings outside of my body, yes, are very sensitive, causing a great amount of marking on the individual that is able to access them. Mhm. Now, I'm concerned that your itchy, scratchy, picky pock, pimple, yes, cat scratch system of using the sexual nerve endings of being on each other, yes, is causing a mutation of the actual skin of American citizens. Now, I think we need to look at collagen today, maybe in its colloidal form, microscopic form, yes, and to ask ourselves, is there something happening to the physical skin of human beings because of the use of technology? Did you saturate the population right now with the intention of using the non-sensitive nerve endings to mark on and off? Yes. And then the more sensitive nerve endings, known as the taste buds, yes, so as to talk through and be on. And then there are the sexual nerve endings that in a male are outside the body, but in a female, most of them are inside the body. Now, when I really look at the strength of the sensitivity of nerve endings, yes, he does. He's looking at the strength of it. I'm thinking that someone intentionally marked the nerve endings that have the greatest amount of effect on the human mind with the